is the trail. Heading down to the main road.
We'll run into Tom and Julie out here doing
And next stop is Furnace Creek.
Tom and Julie. Yeah, I'm hanging back a little bit. Getting dusted back here.
Hey Harvey, video me going through this shit in the dust, dusting your ass out.
All I have in front of me, Ron, is a dust stop until the dust calms down.
Perfect, just video me so I can see it. All I see is you in the back.
Yeah, we're playing fast a little bit here. That's just hanging on the trail.
I love making dust.
What we need to do is need to make him sit back in the back of the group. So he goes, oh, that's what you guys gotta see. Ron doesn't have to change his air filters out as he did.
That's funny. I change it every time. It just runs a lot cleaner. You guys should get the snorkel. I'm gonna come down here. I want to video it. Ah! God. Dang, I love making dust. Dust is the best. Especially when you dust out the people behind you. It's so fun. Oh my god. These guys are like, these guys are screwed, man. Look at this. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, I got a little sideways there. Good thing I went a little high. Oh my god, this is the best thing about off-roading. Is you get to the front, is you dust out your buddies. Oh yeah! Oh shoot. Let's see. I'm gonna fix my camera there. There he goes. Slow down. Woo! Whoa, shit. There you go. That's a little better. Whoa. Yeah, let's step in that. Oh my gosh, dude. Man, is that funny as hell or what? Look how much dust is behind them. They're just totally dusted out. Around. Especially Harvey Tough. I love dusting Harvey Tough out. So right now we're heading to Furnace Creek. This is the main highway off the trail from Warm Springs. Up again. I just keep on going until I get to the next spot.
Other car.
Wow. You know you're in California when people stop and look at water. This is so funny.
Come on, these are all influencers doing videos.
excited to check it out. Okay, we're coming into Furnace Creek.
Looks like a cop sitting right there. No, that truck.
Furnace Creek. Park Rangers on the left.
Put him over.
Wow. You're gonna like the gas prices here.